Hey there! Welcome to my unboxing and product testing extravaganza. Today, we're diving into the realm of a 12-inch, heavy-duty, electric, and rechargeable chainsaw, complete with 2 lithium batteries. If you're hesitating on snagging this bad boy, hang tight, because this video is your ultimate guide. There you go, folks, another product unboxing and testing. If you're interested in watching the full video, please visit my channel, subscribe, and share my videos so that many others can benefit. Let's unlock innovation one unboxing at a time, as there is always a silver lining to every package. Stay curious, stay connected to the world of discovery.